Hey everyone, if AnyDesk Clipboard is not working, you can't copy and paste between devices, or text is not syncing, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to restore clipboard functionality. First, make sure clipboard sharing is enabled in AnyDesk settings. If it's turned off, copy and paste won't work at all. Next, disconnect and reconnect the session. Yeah, temporary sync issues can often break clipboard sharing. Make sure both devices have a stable internet connection. I mean, clipboard sync depends on a stable connection between both systems. Try restarting both your computer and the remote device. So system glitches can sometimes block clipboard synchronization. Make sure AnyDesk has the necessary permissions to access clipboard data. Restricted permissions can block copy and paste. Make sure you're using the latest version of AnyDesk. Yeah, updates often fix clipboard bugs and improve synchronization. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Network routing issues can interfere with clipboard syncing. Sometimes antivirus or firewall software can block clipboard communication. Yeah, temporarily disabling them can help identify the issue. If clipboard still doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall AnyDesk completely. I mean, a fresh installation can fix corrupted sync components. If nothing works, contact AnyDesk support. They may be able to identify deeper system or network-related issues, and that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped fix the AnyDesk Clipboard not working problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.